I've had this hair color for over 2 months already, and it is time to change it up again. Yeah, blue is definitely my favorite hair color to have because for some reason I think it actually looks like really good on me, and I don't know what it is, but I love it. But you know, it's been over 2 months already, and I just want to change it up again. And we're also heading into the new year, so I kind of want to have like a new vibe for the new year, you know? New year, new me. Today I'm going to try and get the blue out of my hair, which as you probably know is like the most difficult color to get out of your hair. I think it's easier to get black out of your hair than blue. So this is going to be a challenge, to say the least. I've tried almost every hair color remover method that is on the market right now, but there is one method that I have never tried, and it's probably one of the most recommended methods, and that is using the Color Oops color remover. And the reason why I have never used Color Oops is because it costs me $90 to get it, and that is excluding shipping. And of course I'm not going to spend $110 on one single box of hair color remover. Like, that is insane. So I ended up doing the most logical thing there is, and that is I bought a plane ticket from Amsterdam to San Francisco. While I was in San Francisco, I rented an RV, used an RV to drive through Yosemite Park, Death Valley, Las Vegas, then from Las Vegas go to Los Angeles, and while in Los Angeles I looked for the nearest Target where I found myself a box of color remover that did not cost me $110, but only around $15, I think. Took the RV again, drove all the way up to San Francisco, where I got on a plane and flew all the way back to Amsterdam, and then from Amsterdam went back home again. This was not a lot of effort at all, and it ended up saving me around $95. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Okay, so now that I finally have my Color Oops color remover, we can finally see what all the hype is all about. I wonder if it's actually gonna work. Honestly, I mean, is this really gonna be that much different from any other color remover? Because I've tried a lot already. But yeah, let me just open it up and see what they have to say. Yay. Is it gonna be smelly? It probably is gonna be smelly, isn't it? You can definitely smell the bottle in here, but they also added like a perfume of some sorts, so it kind of masks the scent. I mean, it's not, I've definitely had worse than this. Let's see what they say about it. Plastic? Why? What is this? This is like to put on your surface, to keep your surface clean. And there are actually like plastic gloves in here. Damn, that's sick, boy. Always conduct a strand test before applying Color Oops. Yeah, we already know that I'm not going to do that. Color Oops should be applied dry hair, cover clothing with protective cape or towel, wear gloves, blah 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 blah. Oh my god. Rinse. Okay, so you have to let it sit in your hair for 20 minutes. Yeah. Then you have to rinse it out with warm water and shampoo. And then rinse for 15 to 20 minutes. Are they actually insane? Do they think that water is free over here? Like, what's going on? Shampoo again. Rinse for another 5 minutes. Repeat 2 more times. So you literally have to rinse your hair for like 40 minutes. What is going on? They're crazy. But yeah, okay. Let's get started. Pablo. Pablo. That's my chair. Can you sit somewhere else, please? Every time my hair grows to like my shoulders, I have a very, very, very strong urge to cut myself a bob again. Like, why do I always want to have a bob? I'm not gonna do it though. I want to have long hair this time. At first I was going to take off all my jewelry because they did say that you shouldn't like get it in contact with any metals. So just to be sure, I'm just gonna take it all off. Because I don't want my beautiful jewelry to get ruined. That would be very, very sad. I just have to mix numero uno with a numero dos. And then put it in my hair. And I hope it's gonna be enough. Because as you know, I have like super long hair right now. So I hope one bottle is gonna be enough for this Rapunzel-like hair. Okay, let's just mix it. Yeah, la 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 la. This time I got some gloves with the product itself, so there's really no reason for me not to put them on this time. Are you happy now? Oh. I have to cut it open first because it's not open yet. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. This is way more liquidy than I thought it was. Okay, let's try that again. I wonder if it's also going to lift my like roots. I just dropped a bucket load on the floor. Everything is pretty much covered right now, as you can see. But I still have like a lot left in the bottle. So I'm just going to empty this whole baby out, baby. I didn't fly all the way to the US to throw 1/3 of the bottle away. Turns out that the little placemat that I got with the box is actually indeed a hair cap, because you can open it. Okay, and now we wait 20 minutes. I'm going to get something to eat. Okay. It is about, well, I want to say 20, but it's actually more like 30 minutes later, even though they specifically told me not to keep it longer in my hair than 20 minutes. And yeah, I did put a t-shirt on my head because I thought it would be like, it would like keep the heat in there, you know? So let's just see what the damage is so far. It looks the exact same. I do have to rinse it out though. So hopefully if I rinse it out, then I'll get like the hair dye out of my hair. But I'm not sure. Because you would expect like some of the blue to already be gone, right? And it's all still pretty much in there. Yeah, let me just get in the shower for 40 goddamn minutes. Holy shit. And then hopefully after those 40 minutes, like at least some of the hair dye is gonna be gone. But I'm not sure. I do not have good hopes for this. Okay, see you in 5 weeks. Hey! Oh, that was literally the longest shower I've ever taken in my entire life. I don't think it's healthy for a person to stand that long under the shower, to be honest. But yeah, this is the end result of my hair. Look, it did do something, you know? I mean, it definitely is a little bit less blue than it used to be. I wouldn't say it didn't work, but I definitely expected it to work a lot better. I mean, considering all the DMs, comments, messages I got about color oops, I really expected it to be like the best thing ever. But unfortunately, the blue wants to stay. sad. This color is also, I mean, I guess it's kind of a cute color, but my roots just make it look very intense. So yeah, I do not consider this to be a success, unfortunately. And I will be trying another hair color remover to see if I can get the rest out of my hair. Another problem that I have though is that I actually do not know what my next hair color should be. Like, I'm trying so hard to get the blue out of my hair, but I have no idea what color I do want to have. So yeah, if you have any hair color ideas, then please let me know. You know, put them in the description box. No, put them in the comments down below. And maybe I can get some inspiration. Maybe I should just like use the color wheel and go for purple. But I don't know if I want to go for purple. I don't know what I want. I never really know what I want. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching. And very sad about this product. I flew all the way across the world to get this and it didn't even work. What are you gonna do about it? Okay. Thank you for watching. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao.